We must work together to bring quality medical services closer to our people, particularly the poor and indigent patients. Ang kalusugan ay katumbas ng buhay ng bawat Pilipino. With the help of my fellow legislators, we will also continue to help our future generations, the youth whose voices we heard last elections and who hold the promise of a brighter future for our country. Hence, we need to invest more in education, like expanding further the law promoting the universal access to tertiary education signed by former President Duterte, so that students will be able to choose more programs and avail of free education. As an advocate of sports, we should also further advance sports development in the country, especially in the grassroots, so that aspiring young athletes can be given the opportunity to improve their skills and hopefully, eventually, produce more Olympic medalists who will bring honor to our country. That is why I keep encouraging fellow Filipinos, especially the youth, to get into sports, stay away from drugs, to keep us healthy and fit.